Hello everyone, this is Imelda. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I'm going to show you how to make this scarf that can be converted into a face mask. First, I'm going to show you how to make a pattern. Now we are ready to cut our pattern. In this project, I'm going to use a chiffon fabric, a flowy one. You can also use cotton fabric, which is much better, it's better protection than the chiffon. And if this is the first time you visited my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button, so every time I got a new upload, you can be notified. And if you can help me reach 5,000 subscribers, please, that will be great. Now I got the fabric here. I fold it in a triangle shape. I fold it twice. And then we're gonna lay down our pattern to trace up. And please everyone, use a face covering when you go out in public, in the shops and in public transport, and social distancing as well. Please protect us frontliners and our NHS, and don't forget to wash your hands as well. Some of the places here in the United Kingdom is already been in lockdown, so please be careful and follow the government's guidance in social distancing. Our fabric is folded right side together. Now you have to unfold the fabric and then put an 18 centimeters elastic on each side and pin it. And now you have to pin all around the sides and then sew, and then leaving a 2 inches gap, so you got gap later on to turn the fabric right side out. Now we have to top stitch all around so we can close the opening gap. Added 2 goals on the elastic so I can adjust the length. Now let's try it on to see if it fits on me. So adjust the nose wire here, and I can see there's a gap on its side of the face. So what I've done, I need to put one pleat on each side. And now let's try and tie it on our back so we can see how it looks. This is how I added the pleats on its side. So just fold one pleat and then pin. And now let's try it again. See what it looks like. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and please be careful and stay safe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.